Good evening, everyone. This is Linda. I'm in my garden and I am going to harvest some ginger because I want to try this recipe. I saw my sweet friend, soulfoodqueen.net, Miss Sandra. She made this meal, and listen, when I saw it, I said, I just got to make this. I got to make this. Now, I don't remember if Queen put ginger in hers. I think she did. I'm not sure, but I know I want ginger in this dish. So this dish I'm going to prepare today is garlic, butter, and honey chicken wings. That's what it is. Yeah. So I'm just out in my garden now picking up some herbs. Now, I'm doing this voiceover mainly because, yeah, y'all know the cicadas, they don't have respect, just like them squirrels. I'm sorry. But, yes, a queen inspired me to cook this recipe. So I'm just gathering some herbs. So this is my jalapeno plant. I'm not really big on a lot of heat, but I'm going to take this small jalapeno pepper and chop it up, and I'm going to put it in my chicken wings. Yeah. All right, guys. So here, I forgot to turn on the camera. But before I put the chicken into that skillet, I put garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika on this chicken. And in the skillet, I have a whole bulb of garlic. I have a half of green bell pepper and a half of red bell pepper. I have my ginger, of course. I have some thyme in there. And I see what else I have in there. There's a, I'm sorry, there's a whole stick of butter. I think I said that. But yeah, so Soul Food Queen did this recipe. She also put something in it that I am not going to use. She added soy sauce. Now, I'm sorry, guys, but soy sauce just have too much sodium for me. So I control my blood pressure and what I eat. So I'm going to stay away from that soy sauce, even though I love it. I do love it, but I want to feel good all day, all night. I want to feel great. So now here I'm just putting in my chicken and just letting all of my vegetables get translucent in here. So, yep, I'm going to add some vinegar. I'm going to add some brown sugar. Yes, yes. And there's my brown sugar. And I had a half of that little jar of honey. So I put a little water in it, hot water just to melt it and make it soft. So, yeah, and I just poured it all in this pan with this chicken. Yeah, man. Yes. But what I didn't show you all, and I'm sorry I didn't, that I did put vinegar in it because I didn't show where I put the vinegar in. I put 2 cups full of the apple cider vinegar. Also, Queen used white vinegar, but I didn't have any white vinegar in the house, so I just used what I had. Yeah. So another thing I did different from what Queen did, Queen totally cooked her meal on top of the stove. Well, I just let everything, get all incorporated there, and I put it in the oven. And this is the result. Um, the meal is complete. Yes. And what you are left with is all of this sticky, sweet deliciousness because it was so good. The jalapeno just gave it a little kick. I mean, just a little kick, nothing to knock me down. It just, oh. Man, it was just delicious, I tell you. Just delicious. I was very excited also that my son, he loved it. He enjoyed it so much. He just said that he was very sorry that there was not more. But I only cooked a small amount because, when you're cooking something new and different, you don't want to cook too much just in case, just in case things wouldn't go right. But I did put my chicken in the oven because I don't like my chicken pulley. I want it very tender. And this is my results. I fixed a little plate, and this is my garlic honey uh, chicken wings that was inspired by my sweet friend Sandra over there at soulfoodqueen.net. Yes. So when you all get a chance, and if you don't know Sandra, go check her out. You listen, you are going to be inspired. You are going to be inspired because, listen, these chicken wings were absolutely divine. They were so good, sticky, tender. The garlic, that my first bite, the present of garlic was just the first thing that that got me. And when I swallowed, just a little heat from the jalapeno pepper was just amazing. It was amazing. So, Queen, I want to thank you so much for this delicious recipe. I will cook it again, but next time I cook it, I'm going to cook a big skillet full. Thank y'all for watching. Later, y'all.